Hello, thank you all for coming. This exhibition highlights the different visual expressions of movement and showcase Native American engagement with their environment and culture. One of the opportunities as the academic initiatives intern for the OSU Museum of Art is getting to curate this exhibition.
With the launch of the new OSU strategy, we're really focused on making sure that all of our students have meaningful experiences while they're here at OSU that are going to set them up to make a meaningful impact in our society upon graduation. And the museum is so unique because it really is that teaching museum. So we have students that can go there to get an experience of interacting with art, and then we can give students an experience by working at the museum or having internships.
I love working here alongside with other interns and museum associates. I've gotten to learn more about the art administration side of working in a museum, which is my major, so this internship has been very beneficial.
I love the art museum. I'm a marketing communications senior. Under my internship, I have learned a lot of hands-on marketing experience in a real world setting.
They're learning these things in the classroom, and those jobs and internships give them an opportunity to see those things in the real world. And then the reverse is also true, that it makes their classroom experience that much more valuable.
We very excitedly help them develop skills such as public speaking, customer service, research, writing skills, as well as social emotional skills that will help them succeed in any career.
Having internships and any kind of experiential learning opportunities is absolutely key to student success. The museum is an amazing resource. I've had the opportunity here to curate exhibitions with my students. Other students, of course, have had internship opportunities with hands-on learning from skilled professionals in the field. That not only gives them a taste of what it's like, it allows them to be much more competitive for those jobs or for those training programs once they graduate from OSU.
The OSU Museum of Art has kind of come into its place in the community. Our mission is a teaching museum, so what does that mean? Visual literacy is very much a part of our mission, and so we do that through teaching. We do that by bringing everyone in. Our building has actually been built to support that. So you can see into our storage areas. You can see us doing the behind the scenes things, which we think is including everyone.
It's so important to see paintings in person because artists have looked to the past for inspiration or just to learn how to master a certain technique, learning from those people who have come before to help you problem solve.
It's not just there for OSU. The location of where the museum is, as well as all the outreach that it does through K through 12, really makes it a learning environment and a resource for the community at large.
Student employees and interns are the front-facing part of our operation, and our community provides the ability for us to have students practice. I have seen students who are training to be teachers, and they come in and they're a little trepidatious about doing a tour. And when they have to go to be a teacher in the classroom, they're a lot more confident.
When I think about the part-time jobs that are available here at the museum, I just think it's such a valuable thing that they get to have that experience while they're going to school.
There have been many opportunities for us to actually celebrate the success of former employees, former students here, and one of those is Scout Marshall.
The internship is ultimately what got me to where I am today. Part of it was volunteering part-time at the International Folk Art Museum. So that was my first kind of introduction to the world of conservation, which is what I do now. I own my own business. I own Art Restoration Solutions in Kansas City, and been doing it for 8 years, and it's my life's work, and it's what I love doing, and I honestly don't think I would have found it without you guys.
We are so grateful for the art advocates' support and then what that results in as far as the opportunities that we're able to offer our students.
Well, the art advocates really play such an important role. There is no way without this advocacy that we would be able to have 8,000 annual visitors as well as run all our K through 12 programming without that generous support.
It's really a blast to teach and work with students. That's why we're here as a teaching museum. We've always had that as kind of our passion. And as art advocates, you can be part of that. It's very tangible. We can see what we're doing to help students very directly.
I am so grateful for this museum, and I'm so deeply grateful as well to the art advocates for making so much of that possible.
Thank you so much, Art Advocates. Your support means so much to students like me.
Thank you so much, Art Advocates. Your support means so much to me. I'm so thankful that I get to do this because of you guys.